Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M6 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings and start with tapping on About Phone. Then let's keep tapping on the OS version until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode. Now we can go back to the general list of the settings and scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Here, let's scroll down to the very bottom again to find developer options. And now all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find the option Automatic System Updates. Simply tap on the switcher to turn on this option, and from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted, and of course whenever the update is available. You can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.